So moving on with our next step. The last step we ended here where we did re. From there, bring your right index finger, right knee to the front and you're lunging on the right leg first. Then bring your left hand back and up. So you're showing Tora Sajan. So you're shaking your shoulders, take them all the way up. Your back heel is up, front knee is bent. Then you bring your right foot next to the left foot with your hands still up on the top. Ayo Tora. And then for Desh, we're going to jump 4 times starting to the right side, right corner, right back corner, left front corner like this. Desh, 4 jumps. Re, turn to the left side, bend your knees, show that index finger, right index finger to the right side and your left hand bent and left index finger out. And just 1, 2, 3, 4, drive the stomach in like you're doing the ab curls. Re. And then from there, bringing your both hands together to the left side like you're sleeping and you're going to stomp and kick, stomp and kick. Again, this is a very useful step in Bollywood to be able to stomp and then to be able to kick in both directions, to the side and to the back. Okay, so from here we're going to go soi, soi. So you jump 2 times. Soi, soi. The hands also go slightly to the left side. Soi, soi. Palko mein, you're showing the eyelids with one hand facing you, right hand facing you, left hand facing out, and then switch. Palko mein chal ke. So soi, soi. Palko pe chal ke. Meri. So now you bring your right forearm in front of you, above your head, with your right palm flexed at the wrist, and then Meri Sapano ki. So now you bring your left hand in the same but opposite way, where your now left elbow is by the right palm and right elbow is by the left palm. So Meri Sapano ki khid ki me. So now you switch those hands, switching that rectangle. Again, Meri Sapano ki khid ki me aaya. So you bring the hands to the right side like this. And then aate jate. So bring your right leg and your left arm forward. 1 and 2, just 2 times. Aate jate mere sapnon ke. So now with your right hand you bring it to the heart, left hand to the heart, and then stomp on the right leg this time, kicking the left leg like this. So again, मेरी सपनों की खिड़की में आ गया, आते जाते मेरे सपनों के हाँ. So now you bring your right hand to the front, left hand on the top, and then you're going to add a circle. हाथों में खत दे गया, and so you make a turn. प्यार का. So now there are 6 steps. You're going to go right toes forward, left toes forward, right toes back, left toes back, with your hips slightly moving forward and back, and the hands going like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you start turning to the right side. Now hands come to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again to the hips. So the set is to your shoulders, to your hips, to the front, to your hips. And there are 6 total counts, so that means 3 sets. And so let's do it from here. आते जाते मेरे दिल के हाथों में खत पकड़ा गया, प्यार का. So प्यार का, and then keep going. लफ्ज़ में प्यार है, something like that. So we end here. After 6 counts, we're going to do Bahara Bahara. So for first Bahara, you jump with your right leg to the front with your hands coming to the sides like this. Bahara, and then take it back. Bahara to the side, and then with your stepping on that left leg, cross your right leg and just bring your hands down like this, leaning to the left side. And so that was first Bahara. From here, second Bahara, left hand to the hip, right hand goes like this, from down. You'll bring it behind your head like this, but going in a circle. So like this. 1, 2. So Bahara. Now left hand does the same thing. Bahara. We are slightly facing the right front corner. From there we are going to start jumping. Hua dil. So you are going to go forward and back like this. Chen to hua farara re. So front and back 4 jumps. We came from right to the left. Third Bahara. So now hold your left hand to the left corner like this with your palm facing left, thumb down, other 4 fingers up, and the right hand similarly it loops in that left hand like this, crossing the right leg. Bahara, Bahara. Now bring your thumbs up. We're going to step on the left leg and kick the right foot up. So again, it's about 8 steps. And then Tora Sajana. So you cross your right leg, bring your right hand to the front with your index finger, left leg out and crossing your left arm to the front. Tora Sajana. So bring your right hand to your left shoulder, showing your heart. Ayo Tore. So you again stretching the left leg, left hand to the front like he's come. And Desh. So now Tora Sajana, Ayo Tora Desh, bringing both hands to the right side and then putting your weight on the right leg, lift your left knee, bring your left hand to the front and bring it back like this, extend and back. Badali, Badara, both hands up, Badala Savana, so you stretch your right leg, Badala Jagane Bhesare. So here, step your right foot 2 times. 1, 2, cross your left foot in the back and then step on the right foot again. Then that left foot from behind goes side to the left, left, cross with your right and step with your left. So this is how it goes. From here, Badali, Badara, Badala Savana. Now hands go like this. Badala Jagane Bhesh Re. You're going to make a full circle here into your squat and then Tora Sajana. So you jump on the left leg and show that you're hugging with your hands interlaced in front of you. Sajana. So you just switch, jumping again. Tora Sajana. And then Ayo. So you're going to lunge forward with that right leg. Ayo Tora. So you're lunging forward with your left now. And for Deshare, you step on that left leg and go stepping on the left leg, kicking the right foot. Hands going from down and up. First just the right hand. Desh, left hand. Re, and then just move your shoulders. You're leaning back with your right heel up and just roll those shoulders back. So this is where we're going to end this piece.